Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Have fun reading.
Teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. Join us in the fun. Little Angel Reader.
Good morning, Max. Are you ready for the beach? Yeah? Let's do lesson 22 quickly before we go to the beach. Okay. Take a good look at each sound. Look at the sounds, Max. Say it slowly if you can. Don't get fooled. Let's get started. Max, look at this new sound. Where are you? Are you with me or not? Happy kid? Okay, kiddo, look at this sound. What sound is it? Can you say it slowly? Max. Can you say it slowly? This one. This one. O. E. The. E. T. T is always fast. Okay. That's there's T in the. Yeah, that's there. Now let's do some reading. Are you ready? Sound out the first word, Max. Quickly so we can go to the beach. It's getting hot. Mom. Mom. What word? Mom. Mom. That's right.
You're Mom.
I'm Mom. That's right. Now let's sound out this word.
Rod.
Rod. Okay. Next word. Quickly. Next word. Quickly, honey. Next word. Cat. Okay. This one. Well done. Next word. Rat. Okay. This word. Sock. Okay. Are you wearing any socks now?
No.
No socks. Okay. What was it? What word is it again? Sock. And this one is? Rock. You like rocks. Sound out this word. It. And this word is? This. Well done. Now, rhyming time. Say the sounds. M, the, and k. Max, you're going to rhyme with N. Start with M and rhyme with N. Man. Okay. Mr. Man Show. Okay. Start with Mr. Man. Yeah. So. This is man. Okay. Start with the and rhyme with N. Then. Not van. Then. Okay. She's bigger than. He's bigger than cat. Okay, whatever. This one, k. Start with k and rhyme with n.
Cat.
Rhyme with n, not at. Can. I can. Okay, Max. These sounds. Are you going to say all these sounds fast? Quickly. The. K. O. D. I. What sound is it? I. Okay, again. I. Okay. The. Together. The. Fast. Okay. K. O. Your turn. The. I. Okay. Max, read a story. We got to the story. Wait. Max, look. When you see this sound in a story, see this sound? It is a word. It's a word okay? It looks like right? But it's the word See if you remember that word, okay?
That's
Wait. Let's read the word.
That's the and that's it. And
yes, Max, let's read the story. How about the first word? Can you sound it out? That. What word? That is. Remember, this is the word is. That is a seed. Seed that you plant, yes? That is a seed. Right?
Add more.
What is that?
A seed.
A seed, yes. And there's another sentence. See a ram ram, eat it.
It.
Okay, so what is the ram eating?
Fruit.
That is a seed. See, a ram eat it. So what is the ram eating in the story? What word is it?
Seed.
Seed. So what will the ram be doing? Eating what? Some seeds, yeah? Eating a seed. Right, Max?
Seeds.
Okay, read the story again by yourself, and then we will look at the picture. Wait, no peeking. Read the story again, then you will see the picture. Touch each word and sound it out. Your turn, not me. I helped you a lot. Now you try.
See where ram eat it.
Yes, you just said the sentence, but I want you to read it. Touch every word you're reading. Show me that you know the words, that you can read the sounds and words. That. What word is it?
It.
No, there's no ta. Sound it out. If you sound it out, it's like is. Yeah, but this word is is. That is a. Next word.
Seed.
Seed. That is a seed.
Seed.
Next sentence. Seed. No, see. See.
Ram.
Where's ram? Ram. Eat.
It.
Eat. Okay.
See where
Let's
ram
look at the
eat it.
picture and get ready to answer some questions. Look, Max. That is a seed. Where is a seed? Show me. Yeah, these are seeds, yeah? And where's a ram? This is a ram. It's an animal, right? Show me what the ram is eating again.
Seed.
Max, and this is a sack. See, that's a sack. Do you think he likes eating seeds?
Yes.
Yes, he looks happy. Animals like seeds, yeah? Can you point to the new word in the story, Max? Where is that short word This is a seed. That's right. Can you point to the word seed? Let's do some word finding. Max, where is seed? Show me seed. Quickly, seed. I want to go to the beach.
Seed.
Quickly, seed. Okay, where's ram? Find ram, baby. Baby. Find ram. Say, I'm not a baby, Mommy. I can read already. Babies can't read.
Babies can't eat.
Okay, you found ram. Can you find eat? Find the word eat. Eat. Max, please, quickly.
Oh, eat.
Please, where's eat? That's right.
Eat.
Okay, yeah. Now, reading the fast way. When you see these two words, eat it, I will read the sentence, this short story. When I touch under these words, you read them the fast way, okay? Eat it. My turn. See a ram.
Eat it.
Okay, see a ram. Eat it. Well done, Max. And we will write O and K today. And we finished lesson 22. Well done. Let's read the story together and then go to the beach. Maybe we can write O and K. O and K. Yeah, O and K. We'll write them on the sand. Let's read the story together the last time. That is a seed. See a ram eat it.
See a ram eat it.
Okay, well done, Max. Let's go to the beach. Yay! Give me five, Max. Yay! Good boy. Okay, Max, let's write K. See, this is K. And this is O. Ko. You try.
This is K. And this
Like
is
this.
O.
Ooh, okay.
O.
Look, watch me again. This is K. See? Like half a circle, yeah? Hold the marker properly, Max. You're writing O. Oh, how about K?
O.
Oh. Well done.
Thank you for learning with us today. Don't miss our next lessons. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.